Hi friends, in today's episode, I am gonna report Lifesaver Cactus and will also discuss some caring tips and tricks. Lifesaver Cactus, also known as Huernia Zebrina, is a unique small perennial succulent that grows in a creeping pattern. It's a good houseplant even for small spaces, as its spread can be limited by the size of the pot. I bought this plant from nursery last year and thought it to repot it right now. I have this cute little pot and will gonna repot it in this one. Provide a well-draining cactus or succulent soil mix that includes both organic and inorganic matter such as sand and perlite. Now I will remove this from old broken plastic pot and will show you how it looks like. It's totally root bounded. You can see its root. Along with repotting, I will also discuss some caring tips and tricks. Lighting is of special concern with Lifesaver Cactus care. Provide this plant with partial sun from an east or west facing window. Too much sun exposure causes stress in the plant, resulting in stems turning red and making it susceptible to disease. Lifesaver plants do not require much fertilizer. A light application of a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every month during the spring and summer is sufficient. Average household temperatures and humidity are ideal for Lifesaver Cactus. Always keep temperatures above 50°F for optimal growth. During the growing season, starting in April and May and throughout the summer, it needs watering when the soil feels dry to touch. During the winter, the plant goes dormant and needs almost no water, about once a month. With the right care and attention, it can make a great addition to your indoor and outdoor space, bringing a beauty and vitality to your home. Hope you enjoyed watching my video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions related to this plant.